Yeah. 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 They hit the waves real fast though. Something serious, right? Alright. Yeah. 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 Early in the morning and I'm up rapping. Killing raps, nigga, I don't need practice. All over the world, I don't need an act list. Haters that hating, y'all niggas could get at this. Me, I'm probably high on the stat list. Damn, I'm kinda spiky like a cactus. Damn, and I smoke it like cataracts. And y'all niggas don't want the facts, so fall back with all that. Kill that noise, cause Timothy will enjoy. I'm playing with your girl probably just like a toy. But this ain't Toys R Us. Killing this song's not a maybe, it's a must. Popping you niggas like pimples, y'all the pus. Simple and I'm killing instrumentals, goddamn. Yo, these niggas can't stand, I'm the motherfucking man. And I killed this shit, no pen in my hand. Straight off the dome, straight off the mind. You should know, Killer T got that New York mind, Empire State of Mind. Shout out to the World Trade, goddamn, I'm killing them in the decades. And I kill this fucking shit. And you know I'm about to get it in, nigga, fuck your bitch. And I probably with your clique, now they probably left me solo. You know I get it in Star Wars, Han Solo. No laser, electrifying taser. Your boy going in and I got the fucking blazer. No likely, me losing this battle is highly unlikely. Any dude that wanna have a problem, he can fight me. But your girlfriend wanna spend one night, B. Get it in.